All right, good morning. So 3 months ago, I hopped on this scale right here, 274.4. This morning, 232.8, almost 42 freaking pounds gone. Pant size was a 48 snug. Now I'm at a 42, fits perfectly. Started lifting about a month and a half ago. Just doing dumbbells, and got this Nordic track right here. I did have some walking pads, but I just burned them up. They sucked, but this Nordic track has been great. Also, I got a Fitbit Charge 6. This thing has been freaking awesome. Tracking everything. I have the app. I have the premium Fitbit, and it does everything tracking. But I also track over here on the computer. As you may have seen on my previous videos, it's been tracking every month here. Started back in March. I was 286, and it's almost 53 pounds difference now with the tracking. The first month, let me get close in here, 20.2 pounds in the first month. The second month, 10.6, and this month it's going to be about 10. I can't do math very well. 10.8, I think it is, ish. 10.6. I don't know. You figure it out. But anyway, I track everything. Pretty disciplined on my weight loss and tracking fasting hours and what I eat. And I eat whatever the heck I want. Be honest with you. I like my pizzas, like my hamburgers, doing a lot more stuff at home. I don't eat out as much, but there you have it, 41.6 pounds in 3 months. Overall, since March, 53 pounds, and I couldn't even freaking walk without pain meds. No pain meds now. I can get around. I'm doing, as you can see, 3 or 4 miles on the treadmill with percent incline, like walking like a slight hill. That really gets it going. I also wear belly bands on here to add a little bit more sweat, but just do the free weights and a bench. I do a lot of dips and flex arm curls and bicep curls, tries and stuff. I don't do as much chest because of my rotator cuff surgery, and I may get into it, but yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you want to check out month 1 and month 2, I got links up in the corner there, or scroll down through the comment section. You can see. But look at there, 232.8 or whatever the heck it was. I got another probably, I don't know, maybe 20 more pounds to go ish before I'm really starting to look like my old self, I guess is what it was. But when I retired from the Air Force, I was about 210 or so I got another 20. I'll be back down to fit in my Class A uniform again, right? Just kidding. All right, thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps you, and we'll see you next time.